All right. Thank you for joining me today. And I hope you all are doing very well and staying safe and healthy wherever you are. My name is Divya Sagar, and I'm part of the Alliances team, primarily leading and driving the IGEL Ready program. Today, I will talk to you about IGEL Ready, focusing specifically on the software and application partners. And hopefully, by the end of the session, you will get answers to how these partner solutions and applications are verified to be IGEL Ready, who are our latest software partners, and where you can find all this information. As a bonus, you will also hear from some of our important software partners. So stick with me till the end and let's get going. Now, I believe most of you are familiar with Agile Ready by now. Hopefully, we've made enough noise since the launch last year in July. And of course, you've seen this slide too before, so I won't go into a lot of the details. But in our session today, we are going to focus on some of the key software and applications solutions that you see on this slide and how some of these solutions are compatible or integrated with Agile OS. Now, IGEL Ready is all about creating this ecosystem of ready to be deployed solutions that complement our IGEL technology by enabling these partners and, of course, making this ecosystem available for our customers. Now, you know that we have had almost 100 technology partners that have historically had integrations into IGEL OS. But just to be clear, not all that you see on this slide are IGEL ready just yet. There is a certain set of criteria to meet and processes to be completed before each of these partners or companies can be onboarded to be officially IGEL ready. So while many have completed these steps and they are live on the IGEL Ready Showcase website, but a few others are still working through that process. And I will share with you later where you can find all those lists and details, right? Our goal is to have all or most of these logos that you see on this wheel migrated to IGEL Ready as soon as possible this year. Now, having such a program has also added a new dimension of co marketing and enablement for these partners. And this thereby elevates our level of engagements with these partners and it creates better product synergies for our customers. So, one important thing to add here, if you need any help making contact with any of these IGEL Ready partners, please feel free to ask us. We're also looking for your feedback to see which of these integrations are more fruitful for you, are bringing more business to you, so we can pivot our alliance activities with the most strategic partners and also identify where we need to step back a little. Very quickly, this slide shows the journey for our technology partners in the Agile Ready program. They start their Agile Ready journey on a self-service partner portal called the Agile Ready Hub that we made available to them. They create an account in there, and then they use the test kits and the demo licenses that we have provided to submit their verification results to us. Once their application is approved, and that's featured on the Agile Ready showcase along with some of their marketing resources. All of this is for our customers, and customer enablement is the key. So the Agile Ready Showcase makes sure that these customers and resellers and you all can easily find our offerings and can explore these solutions, read about them, download the marketing assets. The idea here is to reduce the sales cycles and let the customers make their purchasing decisions with ease and adopt Agile smoothly. Now, I just very quickly want to reiterate these program tiers and what they mean from a support point of view, because we do receive some questions around this now and then. So, there are three levels to the Agile Ready program. Activated is the first one, the base level, which means that the partner has tested and partner has validated their solution to be working with Agile OS and Agile has reviewed it. So the testing is done by the partner with the test kit provided by us, and then they submit the results. They sometimes provide video evidence in terms of how their application is running on Agile OS, and we just review it and approve it. Now, in such a case, Agile can't guarantee that the partner has tested everything. And if there is some deviation that happens, it falls back on the partner to support the software. Now, any new technology company that has not had any integration with Agile OS so far, that is, if they don't exist on the wheel that I presented earlier, right? they have to begin their Agile Ready journey at the activated level by completing this self verification process. So on this slide, you can see some of these logos, right? Like Seven Signal, Cameo. These are the partners that have started with us at the activated level by completing the testing process on the Agile Ready Hub. And now you will also find them on the Agile Ready Showcase. Now, the next two higher levels are invitation only and essentially for partners who can demonstrate a business case or a viable customer opportunity. This is where the Agile Ready team, including our products and QA teams in Augsburg, we get involved in the verification and review process with the partners. So, accelerated, here Agile takes over the testing and validates the solution for one specific combination of hardware and software. Example, it may be for a specific version of Agile operating system. So Agile delivers a private build with full Agile support for that specific combination only, while the next tier, which is the highest tier, is the advanced, which is full firmware integration completed by Agile. So in this case, Agile can safely say that we have tested multiple configurations of the hardware and software combination, or software combination in this case, and the application is baked into our maybe the next version release of Agile OS, and we feel confident that yes, we can offer ongoing support. So now, if you want to check out the list of the these partners or even products by Agile Ready levels, this information is available internally on our Agile Ready SharePoint site, and I will talk about it. So I do want to share and talk a little bit about the more important Agile Ready software partners and applications out of the entire list we have. Of course, you have heard about the big four, right, that we have in the VDI space forever, like Citrix, VMware, Microsoft, and AWS. But now in the other categories like analytics, you will see some newer names like EG Innovations and Seven Signal since the launch of the program, right? Liquidware and Lakeside has always been there. Similarly, Process Fusion is a brand new partner in the printing mix here, while there are others like Tricera, ThinPrint, Printologic, all of them already exist on the printing side of things. Similarly, you can see some others, under security, Viridium and Device Trust are important. Communication and collaboration is a hot area. So Zoom, of course, is there, but then we are looking to add more partners. EPOS has been one latest one, although it is a peripheral device technically, but it's kind of a mix of like the hardware and software verification process. Now, again, we are looking for your feedback. Like I said, you need to tell us which partners are more important for you, who are the ones who are bringing more opportunities, bringing more business, so that we can focus our attention to these particular partners more. So this feedback from you all will be very helpful and very relevant for us as we move forward, working together with these partners. At this point, let me switch gears a little bit and allow you to hear directly from the two of these partners that are listed here on this slide. So we have today with us EG Innovations, and then you will also hear from ThinPrint. They will talk about what is the value that they find in being an Agile Ready partner and how their particular solution integration can help you sell more of Agile. So let's hear it directly from EG Innovations and then ThinPrint, and then I'll get back to you.
My name's John Worthington, and I'm the Director of Customer Success for EG Innovations in the U.S. And I want to let you know we're very excited about becoming an IGEL Ready partner. EG Innovations is the leader in digital workspace performance monitoring, including Citrix Virtual Apps and Desktops, VMware Horizon, Microsoft Remote Desktop Services, Microsoft Windows Virtual Desktop, Amazon Workspaces, Amazon AppStream, and more. For more than 2 decades, EG Innovations has been helping customers answer the question, why is my application slow? And that's why companies like Citrix have selected EG Enterprise as the exclusive performance monitor for their major trade shows and global demonstration centers. And of course, the IGEL Edge OS is an important component of today's digital workspaces. And with the digital experience becoming key to survival, answering the question, why is my application slow, is more important than ever. EG Enterprise proactively monitors all IGEL endpoints and UMS servers. eliminates blind spots by tracking all aspects of performance from the endpoint, the data center, and cloud services, and automatically pinpoints performance issues using our patented analytics and machine learning, which also helps to baseline usage levels of IGEL endpoints and servers. The combination of EG's total performance visibility and IGEL's endpoint OS is an unbeatable combination for today's mission critical digital workspaces. Of course, there's more information on our website and on the IGEL Partner Showcase, including a video and a data sheet, and we'll be making more collateral available over time. If you have customers interested, just send an email to sales@eginnovations.com and someone will contact you within 24 hours. Thanks again.
Hello, Agile team. On behalf of ThinPrint and the Easy teams, Happy New Year and a fantastic 2021. ThinPrint has been a close partner of Agile for decades, and we share a large, happy customer base all across the world. Today, we're excited to be here to tell you a little about what we've been up to lately and how it can help expand our joint customer base. Most exciting is the addition of the Easy brand to the ThinPrint family. And later in Q1, it will be part of the IGEL family too. Coming soon is a factory integration into IGEL OS. EasyP is the perfect cloud printing solution for all customers who can benefit not only from perfect printing, but most importantly, the easiest possible way to manage printing without the hassle of an on-prem infrastructure. Windows Virtual Desktop is an especially exciting use case because we can deliver a print job directly back to an IGEL OS device. But Citrix, VMware, and any other applications your customer use can connect seamlessly to EasyP and deliver the user's printouts directly to any printer that is accessible to a device running IGEL OS. From a UD Pocket to a PC converted with IGEL OS or the newly announced end computing devices, they are all supported. And best of all, it's secure, fast, and astonishingly easy to use, which is. With 30,000 customers and installations of hundreds of thousands of users, we've likely solved that problem before. Our thanks go out to the entire IGEL team who've worked with us for so many years, but especially to the IGEL Ready team, not just for the invitation to this video, but the opportunity to connect with so many of you, our fellow EOC colleagues and customers. We often hear that there's no good printing, just printing and bad printing. That statement makes it abundantly clear that customers expect printing to just work. With our latest solutions and the ever closer partnership with IGEL, you can leave printing to us. We'll make sure the solution will delight your customer and help move your product to a quick close. We're excited to work with all of you and wish you an amazing, successful, and healthy 2021.
I hope that was helpful to you. Now, very quickly, let me tell you where you can go to find all of this information about IGEL Ready. Now, I have been talking of the IGEL Ready showcase, and this is the important piece for our customers and for you all, since this is the front end of our IGEL Ready program. This is the online portfolio or the website of all the solutions across various technologies, categories, and verticals that are part of the IGEL Ready program. You can easily search or filter and then read up about these solutions. As you can see, we have 8 categories, and you can click on any category such as endpoint and find a list of all the endpoint devices listed in there. You will find a unique page per partner company and then a page for each device or product that we have on the program. And you can read all the good stuff, access marketing assets like solution briefs, videos, infographics on these pages, and also use that information with the customers as per the requirements. So if you haven't checked it out, do take a look at igel.com/ready. Now, this is what is available to the world. But where do you go if you need any insider information? That's all available on the IGEL Ready SharePoint site, and you will find all the greatest and latest about the program here. All the test kit results that are submitted by the partners, the wheel diagram that a lot of you use in your customer decks. The wheel actually is being maintained almost on a daily basis because we keep on adding more and more logos there. So whenever it's an important presentation for you, please do check out and access the latest version of the wheel from the SharePoint site. You can find our webinar recordings, events, all the newsletters that we send out to the partners. And also we maintain a list of IGEL ready partners and the pipeline along with the levels, right, that we talked about. So hopefully this SharePoint site will help you stay updated on all things IGEL ready. And we will keep adding more information and resources on this site. So if you're looking for anything specific, please write to us. Lastly, any questions, reach out to our team at ready@agile.com. If you know of any companies who want to join the Agile Ready program, send them our way. This is the link, agile.com/apply ready. Once they apply here, we will send them the information to get started. If you have customers who are asking for a device or application to be verified with Agile, please tell them that they should recommend the Agile Ready program to this vendor, particular device or app vendor, and we will again, get connected and help them get started. So that's all from me today. If you need any other help from me, please feel free to approach me at sagar@agile.com. Uh, Enjoy the rest of your event and have a fantastic day. Thank you.